Sunshine weddings call for gowns that let the mother of the groom sparkle without melting under the midday rays. Picture a cool summer breeze lifting soft chiffon as you glide toward the cameras, confident and calm. Today on Miss Wow, we're exploring chic summer gowns perfect for that proud walk down the aisle. Remember to tap like, share, and subscribe. Stay with me until the end for a shopping surprise. Let us start with fabric, because summer heat can turn smiles into frowns fast. A midi-length dress made of light chiffon or jersey keeps a plus-size mother of the bride cool, while covering her knees. Choose pastel shades that reflect sunlight instead of absorbing it. Soft lilac, dusty rose, and seafoam green photograph beautifully against garden settings. Add a short mesh sleeve for comfort and modesty without trapping warm air around your arms. I know moms worry about waistlines, so let's talk smart shapes. An empire waist starts just under the bust, letting the skirt flow over the tummy and hips for graceful movement. Pair that with a midi hem hitting mid-calf, showing sandals while allowing easy steps. Look for concealed side panels of stretchy lace that move with you but stay invisible. Remember, comfort is confidence, and confidence looks wonderful on camera. Summer light can wash out strong prints, so choose patterns that balance color and calm. A watercolor floral spreads attention, flattering fuller figures without feeling busy. Vertical embroidery or bead trails draw the eye upward, adding height. If you prefer solid tones, select a single jewel accent like a crystal belt to break space. Remember, the camera loves simple continuity. Too many elements can confuse guests and future photo viewers. warm evenings can bring a cool breeze, so plan a topper that matches your midi gown. A sheer organza bolero provides shoulder coverage without hiding the dress, while a crochet shrug adds playful texture. Keep necklaces short so they rest above any lace neckline instead of fighting it. Choose low-heeled wedges or flats, because your comfort matters more than height. Drop earrings complete the look without overpowering your smile. You are now ready to choose the perfect summer midi gown that flatters every curve and keeps you cool while celebrating love. Let the fabrics, thoughtful colors, and confidence-boosting details we covered guide your shopping adventure. I have handpicked examples for each style mentioned, and placed them in the description below. These are Amazon affiliate links, meaning I earn a commission if you purchase, while you pay no extra cost.